Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to play music on your TV using a USB flash drive or pen drive or dock drive, right? So of course this is a Samsung TV, still applies to every other TV. So of course the first thing you can do guys is locate your USB port. Your TV might have one or more USB ports at the back. So first get your flash drive and you're gonna go to the back of the TV. This particular TV has it right here. So it's usually around the HDMI port section. It's labeled, notice it says USB. It also has the specification in terms of the voltage right there. And it's right there. So you go ahead and plug in your flash drive. Mine is already in. All right, so as soon as the drive is connected, you're gonna get your remote. And if it doesn't pop up, simply go over. We're gonna go to connected devices. And you can notice right there, the flash drive is right in the available section. We're gonna select. Then of course, this is the interface. You'll notice your folders. Notice it says flash disk. It gives you the available space. So I'm gonna go to my music section. So I have some non-copyrighted music here. So I'm gonna hit the music folder and you can see several folders here. And I have this recording that is in that I personally did. So if I were to, you notice it has options here. You can sort your music by title, genre, and stuff like that. It shows the title in the lower left. All right, so if I go over, you'll notice you have options here. All right, so you can play selected or you can refresh. All right, so the easiest method is to directly browse to the music. So for example, simply selecting it like this and hitting the select button on your remote. There you go. All right, you can do stuff such as play in an infinite loop, or of course other options here, or you can pause or skip. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. You can familiarize yourself with it. You can have stuff play and repeat according to your playlist and so on and so forth. All right, so when you're finished, you can simply go exit the flash drive as long as nothing is playing. If you're playing an item and you want to disconnect the flash drive, make sure first you close out what was playing. Make sure the music has come to a complete stop, meaning no data is being transferred between the flash drive. And of course, go ahead and remove it from the back of your device. It should be fine as long as no data is being transferred or nothing is being read. Never yank it out when music or a video file is being played. All right. So if you do all of that, it should be safe to disconnect it. There's no eject button. And that's it. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.